Hi, and welcome to the Workday tutorial. So this is your starting page, and you're going to click on Academics. Once here, what I would do is view your academic plan, and it should look like this. So you can scroll down and see, as you can see, I am already enrolled in my classes, but I will still walk you through it. So this is the schedule Dr. Allen made for me. So I will scroll back up and create a schedule. Pick your start date for fall of 2021. Hi, Tanner. And then there's a little button that you can't see, but it says next or okay. You'll create your schedule name. And then you can, sorry, I keep moving that. You can click which classes you want. It shows the seat capacity, what the waitlist capacity is, so you can already see that some classes are filling up. You just click on it, the one you want, and then scroll down. It gave me an alert, but that's because I'm already enrolled. I can see that the grading basis is graded. There's 3 units. And then after you create your schedule, so I'm just going to click back and discard. You register from the schedule you created or the plan you created. The schedule is the plan. So you'll come down and I'll have all your ones that you've already clicked on selected. And you just go through and make sure that you have clicked on the correct ones. So for here, I can see that there's A and B open. I click on it, scroll down, it's 1 unit. And then at the bottom of the screen, after you make it all, you will click register. Once you're registered, it'll pop up saying you have enrolled, and it'll show you. And then if you want to ever see the schedules you've made or what classes you are enrolled in, click View Save Schedules. Click on the fall. Yes, I want that. And then click OK. And you can see the classes you have enrolled for. From this page, you can also, there's a button. Let me move the screen share. Nope, go back. There's a button down at the bottom where you see it's yellow or orange. Start registration. You can also view your schedule, which will show it like this. Please contact me if you have any questions. You can get a hold of me through Dr. Allen, or my email is also rm for Marie, then Lumpkins @mail.fhsu.edu. So let me know if you have any questions, but here you go.